All right, in lesson 2, we're going to talk about unit rates and proportions. So first you need to know what a rate is. A rate is a ratio that compares two different units, and a rate has to have a label. So if we're looking for a unit rate, it's the rate for just one unit of a quantity. So in other words, its denominator, or its second number of the ratio, is going to be 1. You will sometimes be asked to find a unit rate. All you need to do is divide your first number by the second, your numerator by your denominator. I'll give you an example. They might say that 7 cookies cost $10. How much would each cookie cost? So that would be the same idea, because you're talking about wanting to know the rate for one cookie. And so that would be a unit rate because you're looking for just one. So here is unit price. Again, same kind of idea as the cookie example. How much is the cost for just one item? Now, this is the only rate is with money that sometimes they will not have it in order for you. So just know that when you're talking with, or when you're using money, the money part always should come first when you're doing the division. So when you're looking for the unit rate, and the unit rate involves price, the price goes in your calculator first. Okay? Because sometimes we, in our speaking, we often say, you can have 7 for $1. We often say the money part last. And so that's why we need to make that clear, that when you actually go to find your unit price, because of the way we speak in English, you sometimes have to put the second thing in first if it's the cost. The cost always needs to go into the calculator first. You will also be asked on your worksheets to try to find the better buy. That's simply to take two options and find the unit rate of each to figure out which one would be cheaper. I'll give you an example. Let's say that there are two sizes of laundry detergent, like Tide. There's the 32-ounce bottle and there's the 20-ounce bottle. Now you know how much each one costs, so what you're trying to figure out is which one would be a better buy. Which sized bottle has it cheaper per ounce? So you simply take your price divided by, for example, the 32 ounces to find out what the price is per ounce. Then you take the price of the 20-ounce bottle, divide it by 20, and then you would get the price per ounce. And then you can compare which one would be the better buy. Is it the 32-ounce bottle of Tide or the 20-ounce bottle of Tide? All right, let's practice on some rates.